How to track order on Alibaba. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Alibaba app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on My Alibaba at the bottom right. After you've done that, you will find all these options pop up. Click on My Orders. Here you'll find all your orders. Below your order, you will find track option. You can click on it and you will find your tracking code. Another thing what you can do is open Chrome and then in Chrome search Alibaba order tracking and go to this website, which is package tracking with tracking number. After you click on it, you'll find all these options again. Here you can add your tracking number that you saw in the app earlier and then track your order officially from here as well. This is how to track order on Alibaba. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.